soon, because I'm an executive member of FIFA. I want to thank the FIFA president and the entire trade staff for enabling me lead this team to Algeria for a very important friendly game. Of course, it's a Crested Crane that has traveled. We started embarked on the journey yesterday at around 4 p.m. but we have landed in Algeria at 12 noon today. Because you are aware, we have traveled with a contingent of 35 members, of which we have 21 players and 14 officials, including me as a leader of delegation. The team has arrived in a very good shape because we are ready for the 2 friendly games that we are going to have with the team of Algeria on the 27th and 30th respectively. Of course, especially I want to thank the technical team headed by the head coach, that we have young and prepared players that are coming to face the Algerian giants here. Because the matches, when it is in the pitch, will look very small, but the challenges are always there.